What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the apartment maintenance channel. I want to share with you a little care package I got from Ergodyne. They make work gear, safety gear for the blue collar workers, and their slogan, they make Tenacious work gear. So they sent me 2 packages here. They were nice enough to do that, so we're going to open them up and see what we got. Box number 1. A pair of safety glasses. There we go. A pair of gloves. Pretty nice. These are the high dexterity gloves. We got a beanie, charcoal Be Tenacious beanie. Pretty sweet. Okay, let's go to package number 2. A little mini kneeling pad. Has a clip on your tool bag. Another mini kneeling pad. One for each tool bag. That's everything in there. So we've got a nice pair of gloves. Good feel. Feels like you can get, good grip on things while you're working. Safety glasses. Definitely use them. Cutting keys and any other work. And the beanie. That's definitely a cool one there. Tenacious work gear. Ergodyne. If you guys aren't familiar with Ergodyne, I'll put a link in the description below to their website. You guys can go on there and order any kind of gear you want for work. And I'll definitely be using these. So I just want to give definitely a big thanks to Ergodyne for sending out the gear. And I'll be using these in the upcoming videos. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.